Hi there and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will get familiar with the Facebook Ads dashboard. I know that you are frustrated and you are thinking that you are a beginner and that you don't know anything about Facebook ads and you have no idea from where to start. You don't have enough time, you don't know from where to start, you have many things to learn and you are feeling frustrated. Well, I am happy to tell you that there is no need to worry, because this course was built to save you any frustration. Starting from the basics up to the most advanced techniques, we will walk you step by step through the way. So no need to worry. This lecture is only a small introduction. All the tools you will see here will be discussed carefully and in details later through this course. So relax and enjoy all what's coming. Hi! So as I told you before, in this lecture we are going to get a little bit familiar with Facebook Ads dashboard. Later through this course we are going to discuss and to talk about each one of the Facebook Ads tools separately. So in this lecture we are only going to do a quick tour. The first thing you should know before starting with your Facebook Ads account is that there are two kinds of Facebook Ads accounts. There is the personal account. This account is directly related to your Facebook profile, to your Facebook personal profile, and there is the business account. The business account is an account that you can create where you can generate several pixels and you can generate several ad accounts. That's why if you have several stores and you want to run ads on different stores, it's better to have a business account. I highly recommend you not to work with your personal account but to create a business account. And creating a business account is very easy and very straightforward. You just have to go to Google and you have to search for Facebook Business Manager like I did, and this is where you should be landing. In here you should be creating an account or logging in. I have already an account, that's why I'm going to log in, but for you, you should create an account. It's very easy, just a few clicks and you will be creating your business manager account. I'm going to log in to my account now. As you can see up here, I have two accounts, my personal ad account and my business account. This one I don't use, I only use this one, my business account. Inside of my business account, I have several ad accounts and I have linked my page to this account. So, inside of your business manager account, as I told you before, you can create several ad accounts and you can generate several pixels. In order to create your ad account, you just have to go to settings in here. So in this section, you can change and you can moderate everything related to your business account. Starting by the users, let's say you have a partner, you can add this partner to this business account. Here you have accounts, so if you want to link your Facebook pages to your ads account, you can do that in here. And here you have the ad accounts you have. You can add a new ad account simply by clicking in here. And here you have Instagram accounts if you want to link your Instagram account to your Facebook ad manager. I recommend you to link all your pages and all your Instagram profiles to your business account. In this way, while you are running ads, it will be very easy to link the page to each ad. Here you have several different options like payments and notifications and everything else. So let's go back now to our home page. Let's check the different options we have in here. It takes several seconds to load. So here you have the ads manager. This is the section that you will be using the most, the ad manager in here and the audiences in here. So let's go to ads manager in here. So in here you can pick which ad account you want to work with. I have chosen this one. It's an ad account that I don't use, so I don't have any running campaign. Here you can see all your campaigns, the campaigns that's still running now or the campaigns that have stopped before. Here you can see all your ad sets and here you can see all your ads. Don't worry if you are not getting the difference between these three levels, because later in this course we are going to discuss deeply the difference between campaigns, ad sets and ads, and I'm going to show you how to tune each one of them and how to change every setting and every detail related to each of these levels. So don't worry for now, we are going to discuss these levels later through this course in details. So what else can we talk about this? Here you can, if you want, you can see your reports, the reports related to your ad and to your ad set. And if you want to change the columns you see here, you can simply add the columns you want from here, like this. And here you can pick whatever you want to see, what are the options you want to be analyzing and to be following, and you can pick them. Also through this course, I'm going to show you what are the metrics that you should be taking care of, what are the metrics that you should be adding to your columns to get a good idea about your ads, if they are profitable or not. So for now, don't worry about all these values. We are going to talk about the most important metrics you should be analyzing and you should be adding to your columns in here. So I'm going to close this. If you want to start a new campaign, you just have to click here on create, and here you would be choosing your campaign name, your buying type, your campaign objectives. Here you can create a new ad set, and here you can create a new ad. Also, don't worry about any of this. Later in this course, we are going to talk about how to create your campaign, how to choose your campaign objective, how to create your ad set and how to tune your ad set, and how to create your ad and how to tune your ad. So let me close that. So in here you can filter what you are seeing. If you don't want to see everything, all your campaigns or your past and the present campaigns, you can, for example, go in here and choose only to see your active campaigns. Also, this applies to all the other options in here. It's very easy. You can only choose the things you want to see. So in here you can search for a specific name, and that's why in this course in the future I tell you many and many times to name your campaigns, your ad sets and your ads in a way that makes sense. Because if you want to go back to your campaigns, to your ad sets, to your ads, maybe to check something, it would be way easier to access them through understandable names, through meaningful names. Here you can choose your date. So if you want to check the results in this year, maybe in this month, maybe in the last 2 months, you can do it in here. Also here you are going to use the audiences. Here you can manage everything related to your audiences. Here you can choose which account you are working with. So if you have several ad accounts, here you can switch between them. And here you can choose the audiences you want to create, if you want to create custom audience, if you want to create lookalike audiences, or if you want to use any of your saved audiences, here you can use them. Also in here you can see in the folders the different audiences you have. Through this course we are going to see how to create custom audiences from your Shopify clients list, and we are going also to see how to create efficient lookalike audiences and how to use this smart Facebook tool to make your ads convert more and more. Also, if we go back in here, we can check the pixels. So in here you can set up your pixel if you don't have already one, or if you have one, you can check your pixels results. Through this course, I'm going to show you how to generate your first pixel and how to add it to your store. I'm also going to tell you what is Facebook pixel and why it's very important for your business, and why to be a successful in dropshipping and in e-commerce, it's mandatory to have a Facebook pixel installed on your store. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour around the Facebook Ads Manager account. In the coming lectures, we are going to go deep in each of these tools. So if you are feeling that many things are very new to you or that they are complicated, please do not worry. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to use the Facebook Ads Manager in the best way to make your ads convert more and to save you money and to help you succeeding. So stay tuned with me and watch all the coming lectures carefully. Take good attention and don't miss any lecture, don't miss any minute. The amount of information you will be learning through the coming lectures will surprise you. Stay tuned with me and let's meet there.